instigated or instituted any forensic audits to establish the actual number of students attending classes in those private universities. Because I can tell you, CS, and I speak from my own experience in my own constituency, I have had many students seeking to transfer to public universities. Some succeed, others have moved to KMTCs because we are enticed that you can now go and study in this private university nursing. CS, as you are telling us, that they are going to these private universities because they offer nursing and we don't have capacity in our public universities. Why don't we enhance the capacity of our public universities to offer nursing? Instead of sending our students to these private universities, they go drop out after the first year, they join our KMTCs and other tertiary level colleges, but government continues to pump money into businesses and cartels that took over. And I am not ashamed, CS, to say they took over COOPs, they took over the University Funding Board, and I want you, CS, to just mean business, yes. Let me tell you, CS, just mean business. Conduct a forensic audit. Establish, even within the ministry, who are these rings or cartels that ring around those ministries and manipulate systems to favor private business. And I have nothing against private business. Indeed, some of the most successful universities around the world are private universities. But they do that, and they even contribute to the national growth of the economies by even offering scholarships. How many of these private universities have you seen giving Kenyan student scholarships? None. And they are killing our public universities. Yes, I want to beseech you, please, besides establishing and crushing the cartels in COOPs, in the University Funding Board, CS, as you also institute a forensic audit to establish the actual number of students, because you should be paying to individuals who are attending classes in those private universities, not just numbers. What you pay for are numbers, not students who are attending classes on CS. Please, I also want to beg you, CS, in closing, help our public universities to regain their lost glory, like the University of Nairobi. It is embarrassing that there are private universities now that are running the University of Nairobi out of town. True, these same cartels today are celebrating. They are celebrating that the cost of university education in public universities will always be higher than in their private universities. Why? Because of the cost of overheads in public universities. CS, you have a challenge together with your peers in charge of higher education